It's delicious.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. It's LAVI here. So today I'm going to a traditional medical Chinese center for my chiropractic for my back. So some of you may know I used to do performing arts way back in the day, and I used to choreograph, be a dance teacher. And as soon as I stopped that and went to a normal day of work, my back seized up. So yeah. So recently I've been having some back problems where it's been stiff again, and this is my third time at the chiropractor here. And when he first saw me, he said my back was not aligned, my lower back, it was slightly dislocated. So since I've been going to him, it's got a little bit more better. So they said I have to have 8 sessions of chiropractic on my back, and they give you this little card to go in, and it's kind of a membership. So when I first went, I had one free consultation, and then you have to pay the rest up front. So in total I would have 8 sessions. So today we're going to have a session and we're going to see how that goes. So follow me. Traditional Chinese center, so we're going to go inside. He's going to open the door. No, he's just picking his nose. 你好，谢谢啊。So this is the medical center. Ni hao. Hi, I'm here to see Dr. Guo.
Dr.Guo.
Really nice surroundings.
我叫郭月珍，我是北京人。
Local person.
我是中医执业师，毕业于北京中药大学。我所学的是中医内科和中医骨伤科，主要针对于这2方面的疾病，来给大家治疗。
Any bones problem, back pain, and some inner system problem.
You're going to check the neck first.
Yes.
So.
Okay. Doctor is helping the client to check the neck. Yeah.
Relax.
Okay. Relax. Okay. Then you can hear the sound from the bones.
Relax. Okay.
Okay, we finished the neck part very quickly. Yeah, now doctor is helping the client to relax the back first, especially for the muscle, because LAVI had exercise yesterday, and now maybe the muscle is stiff, and we are trying to relax the muscle. And the next part we'll do the chiropractic. Yeah, and chiropractic is kind of manipulation for the bones. For some clients, their back has some pain because the back is dislocated. So in China, in Chinese medicine, the chiropractor we use trainer massage to relax muscle, and then chiropractic to help correct the bones. After graduation, doctors first enter into some public hospital to practice chiropractic almost for 10 years. And after that, he came out from the public hospital and be a chiropractor for several years. And then now he has almost 13 years clinic experience. Yeah, because it seems very simple, but actually you need to practice again and again to make sure when your hand touch the skin or touch the bones, then you can feel its difference from others.
So it's a magic touch.
Yes.
Magical hand.
Yes. practice to make perfect.
So would he say my back in comparison to other clients is worse or better?
他说就是之前他来这里的话，就是跟现在比，他有没有一些好转的地方？然后好转的地方有哪些？然后现在他想跟大家介绍一下。
刚开始来的时候，这个后背，尤其是脊柱，错位比较明显。而且它这个两边的这个肌肉的高度也不相同。一侧高，一侧矮。现在基本上都恢复正常了。脊柱也基本上是直的，但是由于回去之后啊，其他的一些姿势的问题，导致了又有一些小的阶段，不是那么的正。但是整体看的话，比以前明显好很多。
Okay, compared to before, your muscle is becoming balanced and relaxed now. And because you came here the first time, we check your spine is not straight, it's not in the line. And then now your back, your spine, the whole spine is becoming straighter than before. And gradually, after several sessions, that will be recovery in total. But because you go when you go back home, and sometimes you practice some exercise, so your muscle will be becoming stiff again. So we still need some time to relax again and again, then maintain the correct spine line.
Recommended how many sessions you should do?
Normally, if the client is not very severe, the problem is not severe, then we can take 7 sessions. That's enough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I felt that one.
Yeah, you heard the sound, the noise, right?
Yeah, it's there that hurts the most.
Is it comfortable and any feeling?
不舒服。
Okay.
不舒服。
这个yeah.
对，这块非常的不舒服。
So what does this do? He's doing now?
Now he is pressing the muscle, and then help you relax the muscle first. Yeah, and later we move forward to chiropractic. What he is doing now, we call it massage, trainer massage. Yeah.
Oh, right. There's very
When we press you, and then you can breathe out to make yourself feel comfortable. In China, we call the people sometimes feel tired or back pain. That means maybe she or he has the wetness in the body, yeah, and cold. Then we need something to help you get the wetness or cold out.
Is that internal heat?
Yes, internal heat, like you can put your before bedtime, then you can put your feet into the hot water to enjoy a foot bath. Yeah.
What is the saying that drinking hot water, Chinese people say drink lots of hot water helps the body?
Because compared to Western countries, Chinese people believe that here we have much wet and cold, and we don't eat beef or the goat, the some red meat very often, then we need something hot, to support our, to let us feel more comfortable in our body, then because we need more energy. So
Face to me.
okay.
Relax.
Now we are going to the chiropractic part.
Face to me.
Okay.
Help to.
Because your spine is not in the line, it's not straight, and doctor will use different ways to help your spine
Okay.
to get
Relax.
straighter.
Relax.
Okay, you need to relax. And when we do this,
Face down.
okay, please. And when we do the chiropractic, people doesn't need to move themselves. Just ignore their strength in the body and let doctor to help him to move the body.
So this is what.
It's one of the chiropractic too.
So this warming up the muscles.
Relax muscle at the same time. Just now we help you correct the bones, and now he use another way to help you correct the bones and relax the muscle again. Okay, now we finish it. 就是他拉里说，就是之前他的脖子是非常紧张的，然后现在的话，他感觉就是完全很放松。
对的，就是这样子的。
试试一试。Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, any more recommendations?
Yeah,
你可以买回去用。
And we have one medical machine that can help you. It's infrared.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's very convenient to take it out or put it at home. I recommend you to use this one because it's very convenient to take where.
特别的好，这个。
Yeah, this one.
这个是颈的，这个是腰的。
So
开是吗？
that is
这个东西对腰特别棒。我每天都在用。
This one you put it under the back, and this one put it under
your
the
neck.
Yes.
非常的好。
So how long would you lay down on this for it to help?
他说要躺多久才有效
30分钟。
30
minutes.
它的温度是自己调节的，它高的时候它自己降下来，不足的时候又补上去。
You can accommodate the temperature by itself. So you don't need to set it or do anything. You just turn it on and then lying down, and then it can accommodate the temperature by itself.
So how does it do that? Just from your body temperature?
他说是通过什么原理，它可以那个啥的，因为他说
它是发热的。
是不是？他说你可以就是自动调节温度嘛，是不是？因为它根据人体的那个温度。
对，根据人体，你皮肤对这个温度的接受程度，它会自动的调节这个温度，很智能的一个东西。
Yeah, that can tax your skin's temperature.
Wait, so you have to be no clothes? 没有衣服。
他说需要脱衣服吗？
对的，就是它要接触到你的皮肤。是
Where
不
you
能
lie
接着
down
衣服
and
的。
touch it, the area should be showed off.
Oh, okay. So how much is this thing?
他说那这个价钱一般是多少
498。
498.
Oh, okay. That's not too bad.
Yes, convenient.
Yeah, so
for
it's very
people
light as well.
Yes, very light. You can take it anywhere, like when you are in travel. If you move to another country, and then you can take it anywhere. Very convenient. And because it's infrared. Yes. So this medical machine really help people to cure some pain. Back or neck pain, shoulder pain. It can be put under the neck or under the back, this one, or you can put it under the the chest part.
Oh, the
upper. Yes,
yeah.
the upper part. Yes.
这个对，它对你的腰，特别有好处。我的腰也不好，我已经缓解了很多。
Yes, I can do a lot more.
Yes, doctor said he has back pain as well because he helps people to cure pain, but he himself has the pain too. So usually he used this one to help himself because nobody can help him.
Yeah. This is the day after my meeting with my chiropractor and having my back cracked, my neck cracked. I really needed it. When you have that exercise class and your whole body just is like the next day just seized up completely, so that actually helped my back and my neck to just loosen it up. And this morning I went back again this morning to have another session. So they were talking about the infrared system that helps to loosen your muscles up and also to cease any tension in the neck and the back area. So what I did is I purchased the back. So I haven't used it yet. Unboxing. I just got the back one. I didn't think I needed the neck one because since going to the chiropractor, my neck muscles have loosened up quite a bit, so it's not as painful as it used to be, because usually I hold all my tension here. Even when I sleep, I hold all my tension in my neck. I don't know what it is. I probably traumatized myself when I was younger, scared that the boogeyman was going to get me, because that's what my sister used to always say. And then I think I was terrified from the tooth fairy, that might have been a demon rather than an actual good fairy to take away my teeth. So what I did is get the back one, because I've noticed that my lower back is a bit more stiff than usual, but that is because I'm exercising more and then I'm warming down, but then the next day I'm stiffening up. That's what happens when you get to 30. So this is what the item looks like in the box when I've deboxed it. So this is the back bit. So it's quite small and easy to like carry around. It's very light, and it doesn't automatically turn off, she said, when it's finished. So you have to like unplug it from the mains, and it has a little light indicator on the side. And the plug, as you know, it's a Chinese one. You can easily get your adapter. But since going to the chiropractor, it's been a lifesaver, honestly. I'll see how I get on with that, and I will let you guys know. So thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for the next one, guys. Bye!